Hey there, young explorers! Today we're going on an amazing adventure to discover the water cycle. Our adventure begins with the sun. It heats up the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, turning it into vapor. This process is called evaporation. Next, the vapor rises into the sky and cools down. When it cools, it turns back into tiny water droplets. This is called condensation. But wait, those clouds can only hold so much water. When they get too heavy, they let the water fall back to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. This is called precipitation. Once the water hits the ground, it collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans. And guess what? This is where it all starts again. And that's how the water cycle works. It keeps going round and round, helping plants grow and giving us the water we need. Thank you for going on this water cycle adventure with me. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.